Here we are again doing some data processing with the images taken during the project target scan. As you can see, we have a series of images with the associated IMU angle printed in the corner. This is just one of the views I took. I took some from my left-hand side and right-hand side as well as the front of the target. First thing we're going to want to do is run colorpicker.py to get a good HSV value. So we'll again play with the sliders and filter out as much of the extraneous stuff as possible, and end up getting something along these lines. As you can see, we still have some data that will show up as noise, but we still have all of the laser image for the most part. So moving over to datageneration.py, we're going to do this several times for all the different views, one for each view, and it's going to output the test results again as X, Y, and Z coordinates. And once we have those coordinates, we move over to the Matlab code. And so in Matlab, we import each of the three documents from the three different sides taken. And this part is important here, is the transformation matrix that will rotate the point cloud of the different sides so we can get them in the correct orientation. And here you see I rotated 90 degrees. So we extract the X, Y, and Z for each side, and then we perform the transforms by multiplying our X, Y, and Z data by the transformation matrix. And then you also have to, depending on your point cloud, add a translation value, and this moves it into place so it fits together with the other data. And also another transformation for the left side. And then when you run this together, you can see the three different angles that'll be plotted together, and they'll be in different colors so we can discern which side is which. And then we'll be able to get a comparison here once we get the new image. This is an image of the original picture, and once Matlab finishes processing, we'll be able to compare the data clouds. As I mentioned in the earlier video, there's limitation with this target because I can only get around the front and sides, and so the back is incomplete. Alright, so now with the data cloud provided here, we can take a look at what we have. You can see we have the green represents my right-hand side, the red my left-hand side, and the blue the front. And you can see it turned out a pretty decent scan. When you look at the profile and even the front, you can see some of the crown. You can see the crown on the baby as well as the baby. You can see the different folds of fabric. And all in all, a pretty decent point cloud. You can do some more manipulation with the translations and rotations to get the clouds to merge together a little better, but this is a pretty good conglomeration.